In this video, we'll show you how to safely access the batteries on the Zooz outdoor motion sensor to power it up. But first, let's take a look what's in the box. When you open the packaging, you'll find the user manual, the sensor device, a mounting bracket, anchors and screws, wiring accessories, and mounting tape to be used for indoor installations only. The manual has some helpful installation tips and Z-Wave instructions for your hub, so please read it. We also recommend watching the videos on how to mount the sensor and how to install the low voltage wires before you try it yourself. Now, let's get started. First, open the battery cover at the back of the sensor. Turn the cover counterclockwise or to the left to access the batteries. Don't pull on the cover, just twist it to the left. Do not use any tools during the process. Next, remove the clear tabs from each battery slot. This may be a good time to add the sensor to your Z-Wave hub. If using the SmartStart method, you want to scan the QR code on the side of the sensor. And to manually activate the device for inclusion, click the Z-Wave button 3 times quickly. The LED indicator will start flashing blue when the sensor is in pairing mode. Refer to the manual for detailed instructions for your hub. Once the sensor is added, we can close the battery cover. Twist the cover back on by turning it clockwise until it's fully aligned with the sensor. You may need to apply some muscle strength here. Once the cover is on, you'll see a small gap for the protective seal that helps keep the sensor dry. And that's it. Check out more videos to help you get the sensor mounted quickly. Thank you for choosing Zooz.